5 ways to look unrecognizable for the better in 6 months. Number 1, Skinade. We are actually delivering micronutrients to your skin from the inside out. This is a liquid form of liquid gold for anti-aging. If you haven't seen the before and afters regarding tightening, plumping of fine lines and wrinkles, and smoker's lines around the lips, anything you can think of with your face that you need to transform, check out our page for the before and afters to be blown away. This drink of water for your skin is even amazing for tightening the neck. Number 2, Revitalash Pro. I mean, we carry both, but if you're gonna go big, go all the way. If you're one of those people who are constantly trying new fads you might see on TikTok to grow your lashes, buying new mascaras or different types of curlers, save it. I have the perfect thing just for you. If you aren't using a lash serum, you need to start. Revitalash is the easiest way to start actually seeing a noticeable difference regarding lashes in the density, the thickness, the darkness, and the overall length. And you know what that's gonna do? It's gonna create the most beautiful wide eye so that all those mascaras you have will have the perfect lash to apply it to. Number 3, Plated Hair Serum. No matter who you are, you will experience some type of hair thinning in your life, and there is not a better way to actually counteract that than the new Plated Hair Serum. You'll be losing it from genetics, from ponytails, from frying your hair, and no matter the reason you're losing it, this is gonna help. If you've used Plated for your skin, then you already know how amazing it is, and the new Plated now targets the hair follicle and scalp. You are going to see amazing improvements in shedding, the density of the hair, and overall hair thickening and new growth. Number 4, Osmosis Epic Skin Tool. Using this tool in your skincare routine will actually mainly create new collagen while also helping to increase circulation to the skin, which is so important because that carries a lot of natural nutrients to the surface of the skin. What's amazing about this device is it actually creates little micro channels so your products also absorb better. Still creating little micro channels in the skin. We are still protecting our skin's lipid barrier. And this is so gentle, you can actually use it daily, 0 downtime. Number 5 is the CO2 Lift Pro. This is the first at-home treatment that harnesses the power of carboxytherapy. It actually releases carbon dioxide into the tissues of the skin to stimulate a rapid influx of oxygenation and blood flow. You will immediately see healthier, hydrated, more vibrant skin. It's gonna be super firm and extremely smooth. I suggest using 6 full treatments and then going to maintenance. You wanna up your skincare routine and look absolutely flawless in 6 months. Those are my top 5 recommendations.